Perfect.
What's swinging auto lust gang? Dude, we got the winner for the giveaway. I'm gonna announce the winner at the end of this video, but this video is extremely important. And that's because if you watched the, I think it was a couple videos back, I'm gonna show a little footage right here. You know that the front of my truck got destroyed in the car wash and the front splitter got all tore up and all of that crap. But I also showed you guys the new front splitter that I'm gonna go with, which I'm gonna show you right here. So that came in, I got it unboxed, and let's take a look at it. Alright gang, so you seen it in slow-mo, well almost slow-mo, and this two-piece front splitter, which this piece sits up in this bottom piece like that and it creates vents, which is gorgeous. You know, I mean, it's immaculate. Like look at the quality on that. I mean, that's some quality work. The carbon fiber isn't stretched, isn't pulled around anything. I mean, that's some quality work, but for how much I paid for it, it better be quality work. But these, not so much. You know, as you can see, the quality isn't as good. But for $100, I only paid $100 for these, gang. That's 50 bucks a piece for solid carbon fiber. So I mean, what you expect for 100 bucks? You know, and it's an overlay, so a pretty nice one to be exact. I mean, that's a pretty nice one. But you can see that like in the corner where the carbon fiber, the material is pinched in the corner there. You know, but nobody's gonna be, I mean, this is something that sits at the bottom of my bumper and down inside it. So nobody's gonna see that at all. And if they're that close enough to be picking apart my carbon fiber on these little parts here, I might punch him in the back of the head. You know, you back up off my truck, you know. But anyways, oh yeah, and another thing, guys, if you know anybody looking for an M Sport horn for a 550, 650, or a 750 M Sport, then I have one. I'm in an airbag, not a horn, I apologize. I have one for sale. You know, I'm selling it for $150 shipped, which is dirt cheap for airbag. Is gently used. So if anybody needs an airbag, let me know. A steering wheel airbag. So I got that. But this is what we're gonna do, gang. I'm not gonna chance putting this carbon fiber on the front of that car, knowing how rock chips are in Florida. And I'm back and forth to the track. I'm back and forth to Orlando. I'm back and forth to a lot of other places. So I want to protect this carbon fiber. True enough, it has a UV coating on there, and it's really hard. I mean, that's just not going to break up. You're going to have to really drive into something to crack this stuff up. But still, I don't want any rock chips on this stuff. So I'm going to take this thing over to Paint Protection Pros, and they're going to wrap this stuff in paint protection, or I'm gonna take it over to Pro Touch Auto Body and have John spray a clear paint protection on it. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. You know, I don't know if I want to get it painted on or get the paint protection film, but I'm gonna call around and see which one would be the best for me to do to protect this stuff on the front of the truck, you know, because this stuff isn't cheap, guys. So I definitely don't want to mess it up. But with the magic of time, I'm gonna fast forward maybe a day or two, and I'm gonna go to whatever shop that I'm gonna use to paint or wrap this stuff in paint protection, guys. So let's ride. It's a couple days later. I was supposed to get the carbon fiber, you know, sprayed with some type of protectant, but you know, bad news. I mean, that coronavirus and stuff is really taking a toll, you know, on people. Another one of, well, not one of John's, the actual guys that work there, but their older brother, he died, you know, so they got to go through all the funeral preparations and stuff like that, you know, and I'm not going to put any pressure on those guys knowing what happened, you know. So whenever they get ready to spray this, then they'll spray it. I'm not going to put no pressure on them. But what I do need to do, I'm gonna still get everything done in this video, you know. It's gonna be a couple days, but it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be a couple seconds for you guys. But I will show you what I am gonna do, and I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see, I drilled these little holes out here where this mounts. It was dimples already in these parts here. It was dimples for you to drill it out. But where it actually connects to the car, there were no dimples at all. So what I did was I evened the X's out. Well, I put dots on it and I evened them out, and I'm gonna drill where these X's are, and that's gonna stop this carbon fiber from cracking, just sending some self-tappers through it, you know, which is not gonna crack and break apart, you know, but I don't want the actual coating on it to start flaking and popping off from sending the self-tapper to it. So I'm gonna pre-drill these holes, none on here, because that's where this sits. And this is upside down, gang. That's why it looks so bad, because everything is upside down right now. This you won't see. This is gonna be almost on the ground. And I have slip low bumper front splitter protection coming to sit across the whole front end here. So if I do, like, if the truck does slip low enough to hit something, it doesn't crack up and scrape. It hits the bumper protection. All right, as you can see, I have the holes in it, and guys, don't think that this thing is just going to be held up by those self-tap screws. Nope, I'm putting the strongest 3M adhesive that they make on here, plus adhesion promoter. I'm sweating my butt off in this garage, and I want you to see what I've been sweating my butt off about. You're gonna love it. as you can see, I finally got the carbon fiber front splitter on, and it's gorgeous. I love the way it turned out. It couldn't have turned out any better. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put a before picture up to let you guys see what it looked like right next to after picture, so you can see just how much of a difference this carbon fiber front splitter made it. I mean, made this truck look. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. And I didn't get it on camera because I caught hell getting this two-piece carbon fiber splitter on this truck correctly, being by myself. You know, it's not easy at all. I had to hold it up with masking tape and 2 jack stands to keep it level for me to get it mocked up correctly. So it wasn't easy at all. So that's why I didn't film it. But I do have a few pictures before I put it on that I'm gonna show you guys right here. Just like I told you guys, you know, I told you that I'm gonna announce the winner of the first giveaway. It's gonna be a lot more giveaways, and I'm gonna make sure the prizes get bigger and bigger and nicer, you know. So I really need you guys to like the videos, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, you know, because that's what helps me help you guys. So I'm gonna get the countdown. Well, we don't need a countdown. And the winner is, well, before I tell you guys the winner, I don't want to keep you in suspense. Just like I told you, I used a YouTube comment generator picker. It automatically picks the comment, and that's what it does. So the person that the YouTube comment generator picked, he left a comment, he was subscribed to the channel, he liked the video, and he was following the Instagram page, and he's been doing it for a while. At least that's what his comment said. So congratulations to Gerard McKenzie, the winner. Yeah. So what I need you to do, Gerard, is hit me up in my DM on IG so I can get your shipping information, and I'm gonna get that prize sent out right to you guys. Well, right to you. But for you guys that didn't win and participated, I really appreciate it. Just like I told you guys, I'm gonna be doing giveaways anyways, not just big giveaways. I'm gonna be doing t-shirt, keychains, you know, just random giveaways, and it's gonna be nice stuff. Like if I give away a keychain, it's gonna be a custom made Autolust keychain or something dealing with the channel. Custom t-shirt, you know, I wanna start doing Autolust t-shirts anyways. You know, professional ones and regular t-shirts, you know, for you guys that like to wear your polo shirts with the collar, you know, with a little Autolust sign on it or something like that. You know, I want to start doing hats with Autolust logo embroidered on it. You know, like real nice stuff that's gonna last. You know, nothing that you gotta keep rebuying and keep repaying. You know, if I sell something, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be stitched. It's not gonna be any of that iron-on stuff. You know, it's gonna be really nice stuff. So it's a lot of changes that I've done on the way to getting this power out of the X6M, and it's a lot of things that you guys saw that I bought that I've actually already sold because I swapped out for something else, you know. And that Dyna airbox was just the first, the Dyna intake, but it's a lot of other stuff I swapped on, and I can't wait to tell you guys about it. So like, share, and subscribe, and Autolust out.